If you've been interested in one of Orbitkey's mystery box bundles, there's three here. And today we have one. Now, whether you think it might be a sling, perhaps a tech kit, any type of desk organizer, we're going to get into that today. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. This here is the large bundle, so it should have 7 items. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Hope we get something good. We're going to shake it out, see what we got going on here. Looks pretty decent so far, but let's see what we got. So a nice variety we have before us. Take a look. We're gonna get into it one by one. First up with the Urban Sling Mini. Now, right off the jump, we got a little pamphlet here to break down the compartments and the materials and how it's made. But it is made out of a Cardura nylon on the front and a ripstop polyester on the back. It is weatherproof, the entire thing, the zippers, the front, the back, all that good stuff. So it is nice to see that. Really heavy duty stuff, dual YKK zippers on that main compartment in the center with some Orbitkey branding, a little reflective material there. And I love the pull tabs on these. Very grippy, very nice. The strap, as you're going to see, does not have any enclosure. So it's just one seamless strap the entire way. Not super thick. It's a fairly thin strap, but does not feel cheap. It is a nice braided strap. On that end there, you have an elasticized band to keep everything nice and seamless, not any flopping around. And of course, that custom utility ring from Orbitkey where you can throw on whatever you want, a carabiner, a key ring. Even though there's a key loop inside the bag, you can kind of hang whatever you want to off that. And of course, if you want to see anything more about these slings, I have another full in-depth video. You can kind of see what's going on with them. So definitely take a look if you're more interested in how it's packed out and what you get if you want one of these slings. Now, upon opening up that main compartment, as you're going to see, that Orbitkey branding, a nice little spot for a pen or an Apple Pencil, one single zipper into this cordoned off compartment here with a nice elasticized mesh, two open elasticized divided mesh compartments, and then that main section, a key ring loop. And one of the things I like about Orbitkey is, I'll show you here when you open up that back main compartment, there is a cable pass-through system. So in case you have an external battery pack or something and you want to pass through a cable to charge your phone that's in the main compartment, you can go all the way through, which is really, really awesome. I love that Orbitkey does that. Keeps things versatile. And if you want to see it on body, here it is. This, of course, is the mini sling. And I'll have up the top here and that other video that I recommended if you want to see the other two sizes, take a look. But otherwise, let's see how it looks on body. So this one's probably one of my favorite things Orbitkey makes, the Nest version 2. When I open this like it's Christmas or birthday, or I mean, whatever holiday we open something up, but it's a desk organizer, a pretty versatile one, which I really like, really sleek and cool looking that I think fits really well aesthetically on any desk, whether you're kind of a minimalist or you like having a lot of stuff going on. It's a really, really cool looking organizer. But let's pop open that front flap, where it kind of gives you a rundown of how this thing can be utilized and how it can be used. A lot of options of how this can go. So let's just take a look at it. A nice charging pad and holder at the top made out of a really, really smoothed out patinaed leather. It looks patinaed already. And a nice rigid base that's wrapped in a nylon fabric. The holder is an elasticized kind of loop there that kind of keeps things in place. But when you pop it open, one of the cool things with this organizer is that you can move it around and kind of section it off as you see fit. There is this kind of Velcro system on these plastic dividers where you can, and it's heavy duty Velcro, it stays in place. It's really, really great that way. But you can kind of maneuver this any way you want. So if you want to put in different items of different sizes, depending on the day or the week, you can move stuff around or take them all out and just kind of have it messy. You can kind of do this however you see fit. So really, really cool. And of course, the other main feature is that wireless pass-through charging on that leather base on the top of the case. You just plug that in and it's a USB-C to USB-A. And yeah, you're able to charge your earbuds, your phone, whatever has wireless charging, making this a really sleek and versatile organizer / tech kit. Next up, we got the key organizer as well as the multi-tool. Now the key organizer is made out of a nice single piece of looped leather. We got some washers to kind of keep the keys separate, but a fairly straightforward design in terms of key organizers. Nice piece of leather, like all of Orbitkey stuff, really heavy duty materials, very well made. A little close up here of the Orbitkey branding where the screw comes undone, and another loop at the front so you can kind of hang a carabiner off it or other key rings. I have my car keys on it, or that multi-tool even. The multi-tool will be able to fit in here with the keys if you want to put them in there. Now this can hold up to 7 keys. I have 4. I would say comfortably 5. You'll be able to have comfortably 5 keys when you put that in there. But as you can see, once it's all tightened up, it is nice and sleek and streamlined. Your keys come out and fan out with no problem at all. And again, we'll take a look at that multi-tool. You can kind of hang it on the end or with the keys in that main section if you wanted to. But you have a bottle opener, and at the front you could even cut open boxes. It's not sharp like an X-Acto knife, but you could cut things open. And on the back and on the other side, you have 2 different measuring systems. So that's pretty much it with the multi-tool. Next up, we got the 50 ml refillable water bottle and a nice foldable tote bag. So let's take a look at the tote bag. It is a really, really easy to pack, lightweight, compact tote bag. It's made out of sustainably used materials. It's machine washable. It's not a huge tote bag, as you're going to see. It's fairly average in size, like a medium-sized tote bag. I'm not going to pack it out here with groceries or anything, because I'm sure people might use it for different things. But as you're going to see here, we have a ginormous beast of a cat, 16 pounds Siberian. He sits in there comfortably, and he's having a great time. So, you know, another small little thing that comes in this mystery box, but we have a really cool foldable tote bag as a little extra add-on. Another straightforward one, the clip-on refillable bottle. This will hold liquids, this will hold gels. Comes with a nice heavy-duty carabiner here that clips onto that bottle, so you can clip it on a sling, on that custom key loop, or you can, on a backpack, or whatever. You can kind of do a carabiner and attach a carabiner to. Pretty straightforward, but you have a 50 ml metal gel or water dispenser. So if you have hand sanitizer or any types of sprays, you can put it in there and attach it to your bag and you'll be good to go. So like you kind of see a nice plastic pump, fairly straightforward, nothing crazy. And yeah, you take this little rubber loop at the end of the carabiner and you will feed that over the top of the water bottle, slide it all the way down till it gets underneath that plastic cap, and you bring it around and you'll be able to clip it on whatever you can clip a carabiner on and take it with you on your adventures. Now this one is an interesting one. We have a card carry solution. Now if you're a person working in an office setting or you're in business, this might be good for you. You have a really nice braided cable. It feels like a really heavy duty thick shoelace. And of course we have the Orbitkey ID card holder. So that lanyard is nice. And we have this adjustable 360-degree rotating ID holder. So if you want to turn it around for some privacy or have it front facing so people can see who you are, really, really nice extension. I'd say about 3 to 4 feet on that cable, and that lanyard slips on very easily. It has a little plastic enclosure that fits right over that clasp and allows you to kind of slide that on with ease. So I'll let you just take a look at it. It's pretty straightforward. I don't think you need any more VO to explain what it is and what it does. But here is the Orbitkey ID card holder and lanyard. So there you have it. Hope this video was helpful as always, showing you what you may receive if you want to get one of these mystery boxes. Is it worth it? I would say for me, at least 3 to 4 of these items are really cool. A couple of them are just added bonuses like the tote bag and the ID holder, maybe perhaps, but maybe for you it might be something cool. As always, everybody, thanks for watching. Be safe and well out there, and until the next one.